first time I'm ever using straight coconut flour. I already did the other side. I'm using a dirty pan I used to release the skin. Should be good. Silicone brush. Way too much, right? And once it cools, it'll all go into the pan or the container. Coconut flour. Whoops. CF. Wait for it. About 4 minutes. Just started smelling that burny going on. Shut the fire. Can we pull it off? Yes, we can. Ooh, look at that. A little bit of a mess. Back to the fire. Don't want to clean that. That's all tasty. Alright, it's about 3 minutes. Handle's getting hot. That piece of salmon is more than 2 inches thick. And we want to put it right about there. It'll finish cooking when we put it in there. Get all that burnt stuff. That's flavor. Alright, wait for it. Alright, there was a little burny over here. We got rid of that. It's a big piece of fish, so back to the fire. Another 2 minutes, so wait for it. It's been another 2 minutes. And yes, the handle does get hot on this pan. If I'm correct, burny's perfect. Look at that. So moist. This is why I do not go to restaurants when I want salmon. I cook it at home. Into the pan, or into the container I'm storing it in. I'll let that come to room temperature, throw it in the fridge, and I'm ready to eat. I like cold salmon. Could do it hot right now. It's amazing. Salmon my way.